Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set Google as your default search engine inside Microsoft Edge on Windows 11. It only takes a minute. First, open up Edge and click the three dots in the top right corner. From the drop down, choose Settings. On the left side, click Privacy, Search, and Services. Then scroll down until you see the section called Services. Now, find Address Bar and search and click it. Under Search Engine, using the address bar, change it from Bing to Google. Once that's done, just open a new tab and type something like Test. You should see the results coming directly from Google now. And that's it. Your Microsoft Edge is now set to use Google Search by default. Super easy, right? If this helped you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe.